Hello friends, welcome to We the Learners. I am K Zaman here to share a killer trick on Facebook. Today I'll show you how you can convert your Facebook profile a page with 5,000 likes. Let's do it. Now I am on a Facebook account profile. This a demo account. Here you can see I have already 5,000 friends. That's mean I have a huge probability to get 5,000 likes at once. Go to this particular link. I'll provide the link in the video descriptions. Here you will find 3 FAQ. Click on How do I convert my personal account to a Facebook page. Scroll down and click on Go to create a Facebook page based on your profile. Click on the Get Start button. Wait for few seconds to create your page. Facebook will copy your profile image, cover photo, and other information. After creating the page, a page setup wizard will open. Click on Continue. The first step, about your page. Add information about page category, page name, address, phone number and page descriptions. Now click Next. The second step, this is a very important step. Here you have a great opportunity to get maximum like from your friend list. Though I have 5,000 friends, 4,918 like are available at once. Follow carefully. Click on Select All to select all of your friends. Wait for few seconds to select all friends. If you sure, click Next. Now we are in the last step. Click on Finish. We are done. Remember, the first time Facebook will not display you the number of page likes. Now I have entered the page with my another account and you can see I have got 4,919 like at once. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget like, comment and share. To get more social media tips and tricks, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watch.